Hello, dear students and viewers. How are you? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine. Dear student, I am Mallika Pal, Assistant Teacher, Kathi Government Primary School, Gopalganj Sadar, Gopalganj. And here I am here on behalf of Gopalganj Online School, a famous online school, a popular online school, isn't it? Yes. And dear student and viewers, welcome to my class. And I am going to take a class of class 5, and of course it is your English class. So dear students of class 5, get ready with your English book, notebook and pen, and share the class so that your friend can join. Okay? Okay, dear student, tell me, do you like to listen story? I think you like to listen a story very much. And dear student, today I am going to tell you a story, and the story is related to our topics. Okay, so dear students, before going to our main class, let's see some pictures. Look, here two pictures. What do you see in these pictures? What do you see? Look, in this first picture, what do you see? Yes, right. Here may be a jungle. Some animals are sitting, a fox, a rabbit, a rat, a lizard, and a frog is singing or telling something loudly. Okay, and two birds are flying. Okay, and in this picture, the second picture, we see that rabbit, rat, lizard, fox are discussing about something, and the birds are listening attentively. Am I right? Yes. And dear students, our today's story or topic is about these animals. Okay. So dear students, let's know what is our today's topic. And our today's topic, unit 25, activity A, page 98. Our topic's name is story, why does the frog croak? And especially I am going to teach you what sound to is animal. Okay, dear student. So dear student, let's enjoy the class. And dear student, look this picture. Look. Yes, look and think. What is it? Look. Yes, you are right. It is a frog. It is a frog sitting on a leaf. Am I right? Yes. And dear student, I want to inform you, this frog or frog, it is the main character of our today's story. Okay. So dear students, let's enjoy the story. Dear students, open your book, page 98, and today we will learn what sound does to with each animal. Okay. Okay, dear student, at first I will read this topic or passage and you will listen it attentively. Okay? You will listen it attentively and try to understand it meanings. Okay? A story, topic's name. Here is topic's name. Okay? A story. Why does the frog croak? Why does the frog croak? What sound does a frog make? Croak, croak. It isn't a beautiful sound, but a long time ago, frog had beautiful voices. A long time ago, frog had beautiful voices. They could sing more beautiful than the bird. They could sing more beautiful than the bird. This all changed because on a frog named Blaster. Blaster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing. Please teach us how to sing. The animal asked, but Blaster always answered in the same way. No, my voice is mine. I cannot share it. He said. One morning, Moxie, the rabbit, and Plug, the lizard, talked to the fox and rat. Blaster has such a big, beautiful voice. Surely he can share it with us, said Moxie. They agreed Blaster should share his voice with them. It was such a big voice, each animal could have just a small piece of it. Blaster could share his voice with each animal. Okay, dear student, from what sound to each animal. Okay, and dear student, now I would like to find out some new word or important word from this topic so that you can easily read along. Okay, so dear student, let's find out some new word or important word, and maybe the first word is voice. Voice. What is it? What is it? Yes, you are right. It is voice. Voice means sound. Sound. Voice means sound. Means sure. Sure. Contour. Okay? And if you want to make a sentence with this word, it will be her voice is so sweet. Her voice is so sweet. Her voice is so sweet. And the next word may be beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful means nice. Nice. Beautiful means nice, means sundar. 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 Beautiful. You looks beautiful. You looks beautiful. beautiful. Okay, dear student, and yes, there is another word, I think, and dear student, I think you have write these word meanings and sentence in your notebook. Okay, note. And our another important word may be share. What is it? Share. What is it? Yes, share. Share means divide. Divide. Divide means ভাগ করা. It is verb. Share, divide, ভাগ করা. I want to know. I would like to write this form. I want to share my food. I want to share my food, but if you want to write any other sentences with this word, you can. And I will tell you that you will try to write any other sentences with this word. Okay? Okay, dear student. And dear student, I think now you can read this topic easily. Okay? Okay, dear student, if you find any other new word or important word from this passage, you will write it comment box. Okay, and I will solve this. Okay, and dear student, again I want to read this topic, and in this time I request you to read with me. Okay? What sound does a frog make? Croak, croak. It isn't a beautiful sound. But a long time ago, frogs had beautiful voice. They could sing more beautiful than the birds. This all changed because one frog named Blaster. Blaster had the most beautiful voice of all the animals. When he sang, all the other animals came to hear him. They enjoyed listening to him. Please teach us how to sing, the animal asked, but Blaster always answered in the same way, No, my voice is mine. I cannot share it, he said. One morning, Moxie the rabbit and Plug the lizard talked to the fox and the rat. Blaster has such a big, beautiful voice. Surely he can share it with us, said Moxie. They agreed Blaster should share his voice with them. It was such a big voice. Each animal could have just a small piece of it. Blaster could share his voice too with each animal. Blaster could share his voice with each animal. Dear student, I think you have listened it carefully and attentively. And now I will give you, or I will write some statement. It is maybe it is right or maybe it is wrong. If the sentence is incorrect, you will write false, and if the sentence is correct, you will write true. Okay, dear student? And dear student, look here. Here is a chart of true and false. Okay, and some statement here written by me, and now I will read the statement and you will find out it is wrong or right. Okay, so dear student, let me read. Once upon a time, frog had beautiful voice. Once upon a time, frog had beautiful voice. Is it correct or is it incorrect? Try to remember. Okay, and the second statement is these all changed because of pluck. My voice is mine, said Bluster. Bluster shared his voice with his animal. Okay, dear student, I think already you have identified which sentence is correct and which is incorrect. So, dear student, let's write the correct answer. Once upon a time, frogs had beautiful voice. Yes, you are right. It is true. It is true. These all changed because of pluck. These all changed because of pluck. No. It is false. It is false. My voice is mine, said Bluster. My voice is mine, said Bluster. Yes, right. It is true. It is true. Bluster shared his voice with his animal. Bluster shared his voice with his animal. No, it is false. Okay, dear student, I think your answer was right. Your answer was right. And now I am going to give you some question and you will try to write the correct answer. Okay, dear student. Okay, here is a list of question. Short question. Who is Bluster? Who is Bluster? According to this passage, who is Bluster? Yes, Bluster is a frog. Bluster is a frog. Bluster is and Bluster is the name of frog. Bluster is the name of frog. Okay, and our second question is who had beautiful voice? Who had beautiful voice? Okay, you are right. Bluster had beautiful voice. Beautiful voice. Okay. Who sat in the discussion on morning? One morning, who sat on the discussion? On morning, who sat on the discussion? Here you find. Okay, I think you are able to guess. And the right answer is rabbit, rabbit, rat, lizard and fox. Set on the discussion. Set on the discussion on morning. On morning. You can include their name. Okay, you can. And what did the other animals want? What did the other animals want? Okay, dear student, let me clean the board so that I can write other question and answer. What did the other animal want? The other animal wanted that Blaster should share his voice with is animal. The other animal wanted that Blaster should share his voice with his animals. Okay? Okay, dear student, and our last question is, who is Moxie? Who is Moxie? Who is Moxie? Okay, dear student, I think you are able to gauge. Moxie is the name of a rabbit. Moxie is the name of a rabbit. Okay? Who is Moxie? Moxie is the name of a rabbit. Okay? Okay, dear student. Okay, dear student, our time is near to the end, and as usual you have a homework, you have a one day one word, and you will write it on your one day one word khata. Okay, and your today's one day one word is look. Your today's one day one word is share. Today's one day one word is share. Share means divide. What is our today's one day one word? Read and write on your one day one word khata. Share means divide, means bhag kara. Share means divide. Okay, Bangla meanings of share is bhag kara, and it is verb, not noun. It is used as verb, not noun. Okay, and if I want to write a sentence with this share or with this word, it will be I want to share my food. I want to share my food. Okay, and if you want to write another word with this word, it will be okay. Okay, and dear student, I think in this time you have written it on your one day one word khata. Okay, and at last you have a homework. You have a homework. Homework. And your today's homework is write 5 sentences about animals found in today's lesson. Dear student, look, your today's homework is write 5 sentences about animals found in today's lesson. Write 5 sentences with animals found in today's lesson. Okay, and you must write your homework or do your homework and send me in my Facebook inbox or in this online comment or message box. Okay, and dear student, our time is near to the end. Before going, I want to say, as usual, dear cute student, stay home, stay safe, and read regularly at home, obey your parent, and again stay well. Bye bye.